And now, here we are, by special request from the people, Goof motherfucking dog in action. Check it out. See the posture? See that posture? Oh, look at that shit. Look at that. That is skill right there. That is good. Look at that shit. Look. I ain't even hyping him up. Look at that shit. See, did you see the Heisman? Damn, look at that shit. Look at him, man. Watch out, because he already had a couple of those buddies right there. Let me see yourself. Look at that motherfucker. Anyway, in regards back to the job. 90% finished, about 85%. We got people getting mad. We got people fucking. It's Sunday morning, New Year's weekend. People didn't go home, others did. But anyway, here we go. Here we go. All in all, for what it's worth, I like it. Well, how about you, Juice Dog? You like it? Just to give you a little preview, this is where I stand right now. On top of a fucking wall like a fucking crow over here, making an interview with you.
¿En la pared?
Una mosca parada en la pared.
No.
Yep. But, here we go.
Pero como no es ahora, te toca a ti.
Don't forget, people, this is a second day after being poured.
The day after.
Yes. So we poured it yesterday morning. This is one day after. And this is how badasses we are. We're still fucking trawling the motherfucker. YouTube, learn a lesson. People on YouTube, if you don't know what the hell you're doing, don't do it, please. Because you guys look like fools.
Leave it to a professional.
Yes, people who are rotting on their knees, please do not post that on YouTube. You don't know how ridiculous you look. But learn a thing or two, then post a video. How many years do you have in the union, Goof?
The union?
No, concrete worker. As a concrete worker.
As a concrete worker?
15?
13 already.
No, 15.
15?
Yeah, I had 15, and you started before me.
Something like that. I lost count.
Well,
For me, isn't that as good as before?
well, in my case, I've been held away from work due to circumstances that I'd rather not talk about. DUI, prison, jail, county. So don't judge me because I'm beautiful. So here we go. End result, next video.